Okay, so that is my old blower right there. You can see there's a burnt mark on it. The problem with my blower is it doesn't turn on, it doesn't make a sound, I don't hear anything. But everything up in the panel works fine. And I get some smell out of my vents, but that's about it. No air coming out, whether it's cold or hot, nothing. So I'm gonna replace it with this other one that I found. It's used, but it looks in pretty good condition.
One right there. Get another one up here. That was kind of hard to see, but at least we got in there. Alright, there you go. So I got it. Yeah. And the other one should be. It should be around back here. Huh. Yep, found it right there. This is hard, but I love my disco.
Alright, so I got all three of them out right there. Can't really tell which ones are screws, which ones are trash, but okay. Take this out.
Okay.
What in the tits is this? Maybe this is why it went bad in the first place. You can see the burnt right there. It has a burnt. Then it has a burnt on the other side. Before I put them in, gotta make sure they're the same. Yep, they're exactly the same. Actually, this one came off from a 2005 Land Rover. This one's from my 2001. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit right in. Alright, so I put in the last screws in there, the last 3 screws to attach it. Connected my, the connector for the power. For the moment of truth now. Okay, so turn this on. You guys hear that? Oh yeah. I got air coming down from the bottom as well. All my controls work. Low fan, this is off right there. Low, Working perfect. To the highest. Down. Yeah. Okay. So turn off. See? It works.